Howdy, I'm Matt, and in this video is something a little bit different. I'm just getting this sat on my head. We have the Nitro car, which is of an unknown brand and ilk. There's a lot of ums going on here. I do apologise. I don't know what more to say about it, to be honest. I just don't know any of the details. I've been and dug it out of my cellar. I've had it for years, and it's an aluminium subframe, blah blah blah. I have set it up with an L9R on the back end with some fantastic wiring. Don't judge me too much on that, because it works and it's better than the last time, because this thing does about 60 miles an hour. Anyway, once I worked out that I had a fuel leak, a blockage up on the needle, blew it out with some compressed air, blew it through, and it started first pull. That's not bad for a model or an engine which has literally been sat in the cellar for like 2 years now. Absolutely nuts. Anyway, we're going to give it a damn good ragging. So, goggles down. I hope I get the angle right on the camera, because normally I've got the hat pointing up in the sky, and obviously that's not the thing which we've got going on here, because we need to look down at the ground. So a bit odd. Anyway, let's get that to one side and plug that on there, and see that? Look at that! Oh, hang on, what do you do? Let's give it a little bit of welly. Oh, it's failed safe, I can see on there now. Yeah, I think I need to sort out the throttle position. So, oh, that's always a good start. Oh, come on. There's nothing like quite recording this live-ish. Fail safe. Blimmin'. Yeah, well, I know it's just getting swamped. That's what the issue is. Oh. Oh, I'm not very good. I haven't driven anything like this in absolute ages, so I've brought it down here because I think it's like the best place for it to be driven. Maybe I just not need to be so ginger with it. I was fail safe again. Good old Nitros. Right. Let's take it steady for now. It's a bit nuts, isn't it? Oh, oh, what daffodils? Oh, yeah. Plonker! Let me go and get that. Oh, I really am rusty with a car. I can't give me a full-size car, I'm fine. Remote control car, not so fine. So I hope that's coming out right on the camera. She is getting a bit wet, etc, etc. But I haven't put the shell on her, mainly because I couldn't be arsed. I'd rather get this working so you can see it running. I've still got fuel in there. That's better. Definitely need to tweak the old throttle position. It's got a brake on it as well, but at the moment the brake cuts the throttle off, so it's a bit more of a safety switch. And I haven't hit full throttle yet. I haven't had the balls to. Oh, don't you go! Oh, look, I picked up some stuff on the way through. Ooh, that whole back section's a bit wonky. I shouldn't really be picking it up from back there. Right. Make sure we're still connected. Still got. Oh, we're low on fuel, so I'm going to call it a day there. So there you go. That's the Tomahawk something or other, and that was bloody good fun. So yeah. Time to FPV it, I think. Also, I really need to sort out the throttle because I'm up almost halfway on the sticks before it digs in. So it's about there before it goes, which I think it's just getting used to it, isn't it? And look, it just fell safe then. I did set the fail safe on this. If you watch it, it fail safes, or I turn it off. Ah, there you go, it's fail safe, so it now pulls the throttle back and yanks the brake on, something which I desperately needed in my previous config. Anyway, from myself, Matt, hope you enjoyed. Cheerios!